I know. We so need to have lunch, darling. It's been so long.
Mommy, my shoelace! I need to tie it.
How's next week?
Pew, pew!
Sound good. Hold on. Let's go, sweetie.
Huh? Where are you taking me? I did it! All by myself! Mommy? Where did she go?
I really need a haircut.
Mom, I'm bored! Whoa! Ooh, candy! Aw, it's empty! I wanna have some fun! Wow! I can stick my tongue out too! Look!
I'm not feeling this.
Ooh, what's this? This looks interesting. Whoa, I wonder what's inside. Wow, look at this. I'm gonna put them on. I'll put one right here. This is awesome. They're like tattoos. I look so cool.
Where did he go? Liam!
Oh, coming, Mommy. What do you think?
What have you done? You can't go out like this. We need to take the band-aids off.
Ouchie! No, it hurts!
Get back here! We don't have time for this!
Stay back!
Oh, I'm too old for this! Liam, come here right now!
No, you can't make me!
Sit down. Give me your arm. I think I know how to fix this. And it'll be pain-free. I'll dip a cotton swab into the Vaseline, then rub it over the Band-Aid. Now I can just peel it off. There. That wasn't bad, was it?
Huh? Where did it go?
Now for the rest. Now I can see your handsome face. Okay, let's go.
She missed one. Shh. It's our secret. You're so pretty, Dolly.
Here's your candy, sport. You don't need the toilet before we go, do ya?
Nope. Let's go!
Okay, hold on.
Whee! This is so much fun! Woohoo!
Ah, the great outdoors. Don't go too far, honey.
Ooh, that's pretty! I want it! Got it! Ooh, it smells good! Oh! I need a pee-pee! Daddy! Daddy, we have an emergency!
Oh, I knew it. Okay, come with me.
Hurry!
There must be a bush or something around here. Aha! This is perfect. You can appreciate nature while you go.
No way!
Oh, okay. Let me think. I've got it. Follow me. Where is it?
Daddy!
Here you go.
You're kidding, right? No!
Think, man. This is serious. This might be handy. I've got it. Hold on. I'll place this bucket in the trunk, and this lid will act as a toilet seat. Your throne awaits.
Just in time!
I'll put this blanket up to give you some privacy. Just another day as a dad. Uh-oh. Hey! Hurry up in there!
La 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 la!
Ava! Nothing like a lazy day washing the car. Phew, it's a warm one. Oh, hello. Time to suck in the old stomach.
You should have been there. Look at that.
No one can resist my hair flick. Hey, ladies.
That's supposed to be funny, right? Classic!
They're laughing with me, aren't they? Oh no! Ugh, that's just typical. Oh well, back to work. Gotta get it nice and clean. It's spotless. That's a good job. I'm pretty happy with that.
I'm ready for school, Daddy!
Jump in, honey.
Let's go, Daddy!
Let's get some music on first.
I love this song! La 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 la.
No! What are you doing?
Oops! Sorry.
I just cleaned the car.
But I can still dance a little. Woohoo!
What did I just say? It's okay. Just breathe. Remember the yoga classes. Wait, I have an idea. This t-shirt will solve everything. I'll just put it over the headrest. Then pull it down over the seat. Now you can dance, honey.
Thanks, Daddy! La 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 la.
Let's roll!
Shoo! Get out of here! I need to spray some repellent on you.
No, it's yucky!
Where are you going? Oh well, I tried.
Nene, you can't catch me. This is a good spot to eat my candy.
What an interesting book.
So gooey. Oh no! Go away! Mommy! Leave me alone!
Was that Liam? No, it's probably nothing.
Save me! Take that! Now they're mad! You gotta help me, Mommy! The mosquitoes got me! They're really mean!
Don't worry, honey. I know what to do. You just need a few drops of this. I'll put them on your wristbands. This will keep the mosquitoes away. They won't bother you anymore. Now, give me a kiss.
Ugh, I'd rather hang out with the mosquitoes. I'm back, and this time it's personal! Hey, take that!
It's bedtime, honey. Here's your teddy bear.
Thanks, Daddy.
Sweet dreams, Ava. I'll see you in the morning.
Wait. It's so dark. I don't like this.
Great! Now my charka's out of alignment. I'm coming, sweetie. What is it? You want a piece of me? I mean, everything okay?
It was dark, and then the storm!
Hey, it's fine. Don't worry. Everything is okay. I'm right here. How about a story? Just close your eyes. Once upon a time. Sound asleep.
Don't go!
Shh. I'm still here. Nice and easy.
Daddy!
That's better.
Oh, come on! I think I have an idea. This rubber glove will be handy. Ha! Get it? I'll place the glove in this glass. I'll fold the glove over the rim. I filled another glass with rice. I'll fill the glove with the rice. Now I'll take the glove out of the glass, and I'll tie a knot in it. I think this'll work. I'll just place it on Ava's arm. Yes! I can sneak out of here. Ow! My toe! Don't cry!
Hey, Dad! Let's dance! Come on, it'll be fun! We can see who the best dancer is!
You're challenging me? Let's do this!
I bet you can't do this! Your turn!
Your old man has some moves. Admit it, you're impressed. Phew, that's harder than I remember.
Who do you think is the best dancer? It's me!
Vote for me, or you're grounded. Those were some pretty sweet moves. Who do you think was the best dancer? Let us know in the comments below.
Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.